Morning everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Myself Mrs. Ranju Khurana and I am here to teach you mathematics. So today I am going to start chapter first, that is knowing our numbers. Now what are numbers? Numbers are the most important tools in our day-to-day life. We use them in various activities in different ways. For example, to know the numbers of students in a particular class, to tell time, to keep a record, to pay bills, to count money, etc. And as you all know, numbers are endless, as every number is followed by the next number greater than it by 1. So like 64, 94, 1, 2, 3, 4, all these are numbers. And how numbers are formed? They are formed by using digits. Now we have numbers like natural numbers, whole numbers. Natural numbers are known as, all the counting numbers are known as natural numbers. And natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whole numbers starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what is the difference between natural number and whole numbers? The difference between natural and whole number is that in natural number there is no 0, and whole number, it is a collection of 0 and all the natural numbers. Now before proceeding further, let us review what we have already learnt in class 5. Smallest one digit number. Do you remember? Smallest one digit number is 1. Largest one digit number. Do you remember? It's 9. In the same way, smallest 3-digit number 100. Largest 3-digit number 999. That is 999. Now always remember, smallest number starts with 1 and largest number starts with 9. So if I talk about smallest 7-digit number, it is 100000. Now this is 7-digit number. 7 digit. Count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the same way, largest 7-digit number 9999999. And remember one thing, always use commas while writing large numbers. So what is the use of comma? If I ask you to read a number like 6, 7, 6, 3, 2, 5, 9. If I ask you to read this number, it will be difficult for you to read this number. First of all, what you will do? You will write the places. Then you will be able to read this number. Okay. But if I put commas, it is very easy to read this number without writing the places. As with these commas, the places are also clear to us. So now I can easily read it. 67,63,259. So always remember, while writing large numbers, always put commas after each and every period. Now with numbers, what can we do? We can compare the numbers. We can arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Like what is ascending order? Ascending order, when the numbers are written from the smallest to the largest number. I repeat, when numbers are written from the smallest number to the largest number, that is called ascending order. Now descending order, when numbers are written from the largest number to the smallest number. Okay, I think this you all know about ascending and descending order. Place value and face value. Place value depends upon, now place value and face value. Place value depends on its position in the number, and face value remains same wherever the digit lies. Means किसी भी नंबर का जो प्लेस वैल्यू है वो डिपेंड करता है कि उसकी पोजीशन क्या है नंबर के अंदर, और फेस वैल्यू हमेशा सेम रहता है हर एक डिजिट का, वो कहीं भी लाई करता है, उसकी प्लेस से फेस वैल्यू का कोई लेना देना नहीं है. सो आई रिपीट, प्लेस वैल्यू डिपेंड्स अपॉन इट्स पोजीशन in the number and face value of a digit remains same wherever it lies regardless of the place it occupies in the number. Means digit कहीं पर भी हो face value same रहेगा. Let us take an example. 1 3 2 4 6 0. I'm separating this number by using commas. Now I have to tell the place value and face value of this underlined digit. The digit 2 in the number lies in the thousand period, and hence the place value of 2 is 2000. And what about face value? Face value of 2 is 2 regardless of the place where it lies. Clear? I hope it is clear to you. Expanded form. Expanded form, when a number is written as the sum of the place values of all the digits of the number, then the number is in its expanded form. For example, expanded form होता है कि नंबर को expand करके लिखना according to the place. Example 967480. If I want to expand this number, so what is where 9 lies? 9 lies at lakh place. So the place value of 9 is 9 lakh. Plus, as I told you, that expanded form is the sum of the place values of all the digits. So sum of place values, 9 has the place value lakh, so I have written 9 lakh. Now 6 is at the place 10,000. So place value of 6 is 60,000. Plus 7 is at 1000 place. The place value of 7 is 7,000. 4 is at 100 place. The place value of 4 is 400. 8 is at tens place. 80 plus 0 is at ones place. The place values of 0 is 0 wherever it lies. The place value of 0 remains